The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS is a genuine representation of German engineering as it seamlessly integrates advanced technology, luxury, and power into a stunning SUV. The GLS is engineered to provide a more than just conveyance experience, as it provides a refined driving experience that demonstrates both performance and elegance. It continues to elevate the standard in the full-size luxury SUV segment by implementing updates that improve its aesthetic, comfort, and functionality. The 2026 GLS exterior is characterized by a design language that is both sophisticated and striking. The SUV's commanding presence on the road is enhanced by the sleek LED headlamps that flank the trademark Mercedes-Benz front grille. While underscoring the vehicle's substantial proportions, the smooth body lines, chrome accents, and sculpted panels convey a sense of refinement. Redesigned LED taillights and a more streamlined bumper design provide a modern, clear appearance at the rear. The SUV's elegant exterior is completed by discreet aerodynamic enhancements, large alloy wheels, and chrome roof rails. The 2026 GLS boasts advanced comfort features and premium craftsmanship within the compartment. An affluent atmosphere is established by the use of genuine wood trim, high-quality leather upholstery, and ambient lighting. The three-row seating arrangement provides ample capacity for up to 7 passengers, with the option of second-row captain's chairs for an additional level of luxury. The instrument cluster and infotainment system are now integrated by a new widescreen digital display that operates on the most recent iteration of the Mercedes-Benz MBUX interface. A high-end Burmester audio system, multi-zone climate control, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto features ensure that all passengers have a luxurious and connected experience. The 2026 GLS provides a diverse selection of powertrain options that are specifically designed to meet the needs of individuals with varying performance preferences. The base model is equipped with a mild hybrid assistance turbocharged inline-6 engine, which generates substantial output while simultaneously preserving efficiency. A twin turbocharged V8 engine is featured in higher variants, which provides a robust towing capacity and smooth acceleration. Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system is included in all versions, which also boasts a refined 9-speed automatic transmission. The sophisticated air suspension is capable of adapting to the conditions of the road, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride on a variety of terrains while maintaining exceptional handling. The GLS boasts an extensive array of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. In terms of technology, these devices not only improve safety, but also provide convenience for both long-distance and daily transportation. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS further establishes the standard for luxury SUVs by combining power, elegance, and state-of-the-art technology. The anticipated starting price is approximately $88,000, with higher variants surpassing $110,000 contingent upon engine configuration and features.